So, what does restorative yoga actually do? um, I, for years of practicing and experiencing myself, I believe that anyone that has a nervous system would benefit from restorative yoga. It's basically a practice to restore balance in the nervous system. It's learning how to recognize when the nervous system is out of sync or stuck on high, stuck on sympathetic dominance or arousal, and how to actually learn to self-regulate, the ability to self-regulate. In fact, I believe that this should be a subject in school. That every child, every human, every adult, um, to have the capacity to self-regulate during stresses, which is imminent. It is part of human that we experience stressed. Um, and I'm not talking about like chronic, devastating, that too, but also daily low-grade stress that we may experience, or just having to care for another. It is a lot of giving. It is a lot of attention and energy that we are giving ourselves to others. So self-care, yes, but really self-regulation is the key word I want to share with you here about this practice for the nervous system.